Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can find prices in realestate.com.au. So first of all, the process is the same for your PC as well as your phone. Open your browser and type in realestate.com.au. If you already have an account, sign into it. So let's go ahead and search for the prices. First of all, select if you would like to buy a property, rent a property. So I'm going to go ahead and buy. And let's go ahead, select a location and then search. Now, before searching, you can also filter out the property type. Prices, by default, this is set to any. If you would like to edit them one by one. Once you're done, search for it. Now, as you search for it, you will see various properties. And you don't need to worry about not viewing the prices because it is right here. Every property you view, you will see the prices right below the photo. And let's say you like this price. Go ahead and select it. And likewise, if you would like to calculate, either you will be able to afford it or not, select calculate right here. You will also see the map of it, and these are property highlights. And just like so, this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.